If you're looking for a high-end electric shaver that delivers precision, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 is a top contender. Philips has long been a leader in the electric shaver market, and this model is packed with features designed to provide an effortless shaving experience. From its AI-powered SenseIQ technology to the 360-degree rotating dual-steel precision blades, this shaver is engineered to handle even the densest beards with ease. At a price of $199.96, the Series 9000 isn't the cheapest electric shaver on the market, but it offers premium performance, durability, and advanced features that justify its cost. With a 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 2,400 global customers, it's clear that most users are impressed with its performance. However, some buyers question whether certain extras, like Bluetooth connectivity and the self-cleaning feature, are truly necessary. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this shaver stand out, as well as where it could improve performance and shaving quality. One of the biggest advantages of the Philips Norelco Series 9000 is its ability to provide a close and comfortable shave with minimal effort. Thanks to the 360-degree dual steel precision blades, the shaver cuts hairs in any direction, making it extremely efficient, even for those with a 5-day beard growth. The lift and cut shaving system gently lifts hairs before cutting them, ensuring a smoother finish while reducing skin irritation. Many customers have noted that this shaver rivals a traditional razor blade in terms of closeness, which is a significant advantage for those who prefer the convenience of an electric shaver without sacrificing shave quality. Users who switched from foil shavers or older rotary models found that the Series 9000 offered a more comfortable, faster, and more effective shave. A standout feature is the pressure guard sensor, which prevents users from pressing too hard or too lightly. The built-in light guides you to apply the perfect amount of pressure, reducing the risk of irritation and razor burn. This is a great feature for those with sensitive skin or people new to electric shavers. Comfort and skin protection. One of the biggest complaints about electric shavers, in general, is that they can cause skin irritation, razor burns, or ingrown hairs. However, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 tackles this issue with its nano skin glide coating. This feature provides 30% smoother gliding by using a layer of 250,000 microbeads per cm superscript 2 on the shaving head, reducing friction and preventing irritation. Many users have praised the shaver for its smooth and irritation-free experience, particularly when used wet with shaving cream or gel. The flexible shaving heads that move in 360 degrees ensure maximum skin contact, making it easy to shave around contoured areas like the jawline, neck, and upper lip. However, some users noted that using the shaver dry can sometimes cause a bit of tugging, especially if the hair is too long or coarse. In such cases, it's recommended to use pre-shave lotion or a wet shaving method for a smoother experience. Ease of use and features. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 is designed for convenience, and the Quick Clean Pod is one of its standout features. The self-cleaning station makes maintenance effortless. Just place the shaver inside, and it cleans itself with the included cleaning cartridge. This ensures optimal hygiene and extends the lifespan of the blades. However, some customers feel that the self-cleaning system is unnecessary and adds to the overall cost. If you're someone who doesn't mind manually rinsing the shaver under water after use, you may not find this feature particularly useful. The battery life is solid, with a full charge lasting up to 60 minutes, which is enough for multiple shaves. It also has a 5-minute quick charge feature, which is perfect for those who forget to charge their shaver before use. What's in the box? The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 comes with Heavy Checkmark Shaver Unit, Heavy Checkmark Quick Clean Pod with 1 cartridge, Heavy Checkmark Pop-Up Trimmer for precise detailing on mustaches and sideburns, Heavy Checkmark Charging Stand, Heavy Checkmark Travel Case, Heavy Checkmark Cleaning Brush, Heavy Checkmark USB-A charging cable, but no power adapter included. Some users were disappointed that a power adapter wasn't included, especially considering the price. However, since most people already have USB-compatible adapters, this might not be a huge issue for everyone. Customer feedback. What do users think? With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, most customers are very satisfied with their purchase. Users highlight its shaving performance, comfort, and cleaning system as the biggest pros. Here's what some buyers had to say. Heavy Checkmark. I get a much closer and faster shave using the Norelco Series 9000 than any foil shaver I've tried. The rotary system is more comfortable and does a better job. Heavy Checkmark. This shaver gives a blade-like shave without irritation. Highly recommended. Heavy Checkmark. The pressure sensor and flexible heads make a noticeable difference. It's easy to use, and my skin feels great afterward. However, some customers had a few complaints. I don't see the point of the Bluetooth connectivity. It just adds to the cost and doesn't improve the shaving experience. The self-cleaning system is nice, but I would have preferred a lower price instead of extra features I don't use. The packaging was underwhelming, and I expected more accessories for the price. Final verdict: is it worth buying? The Philips Norelco Series 9000 is a high-end electric shaver that delivers a close, comfortable, and high-tech shaving experience. Its AI-powered Sense IQ technology, 360-degree rotating blades, and pressure sensor make it one of the best rotary shavers on the market. Heavy checkmark pros: superior shaving performance, closeness rivals a traditional blade. Great for sensitive skin. Nano coating reduces irritation. Flexible shaving heads, adapts to facial contours. Wet and dry shaving options. Pressure guard sensor prevents razor burn. Self-cleaning quick clean pod for hassle-free maintenance. Long battery life plus quick charge option. Cons: expensive compared to other models. Some unnecessary features: Bluetooth, self-cleaning, etc. No power adapter included. Light bulb. Final recommendation: if you're looking for a top-tier electric shaver with advanced technology, smooth performance, and easy maintenance, the Philips Norelco Series 9000 is a great investment. However, if you're on a budget or don't need the extra features, you might find cheaper alternatives that offer similar shave quality. Want to buy this shaver? Check out the link in our video description for exclusive discounts.